Hello, welcome to West Yorkshire Engines in the big UK. After all positivity, I've got a really good positive video for you. Every once in a while, people contact me from around the world with parts or things that they'd like to for me to try and test. And going back a while ago, we did a diagnostic giveaway where we had a bit of a competition and a bit of a laugh, and we were able to give that away. Well, I've actually been given a brand new turbo unit from www.maxpedingrods.com. Check out the website. They actually do a wide variety of engine components, really good, and the prices are absolutely phenomenal. So if you check out the link down below, check out the website. We're working with them on a number of things, and we're going to be bringing out future videos in the future which will really help you guys out. Now, you know that all the videos that I do are all about saving you time and money in repairs, because, you know, being a Nissan owner, it has its ups and downs. They're bloody good for before, and I love them to bits. So let's have a look at this turbo, which has obviously been sent to us from abroad, free of charge. So check out the website that I told you about in the link down below. Now, what we're going to do is you also get the gaskets to do the job. But what we're going to do is, because we've been given this turbo free of charge, we're going to give it away free of charge. All you have to do to be the winner is pop your name in the description below, and then we'll put all them names in a hat in 2 weeks from today, and we'll do it live on YouTube. We'll pick out a winner, and we'll give this turbo to that very winner. And then not only that, I'll fit it free of charge. So if you come to me, I will totally fit it free of charge. I'll check over your engine free of charge, because as you all know, if you watch my other videos, you know, there's many reasons why a turbo can fail. So not only will I fit it free of charge, I'll check your engine over, and I'll do a full vehicle diagnostic free of charge for you. So like I said, just put your name in the description below, and there we go, one brand new turbo unit. Now this turbo is only for the Euro 4 engine, guys. Yeah, because it's the 4-bolt look. See it? Now, if you want to get your turbo reconditioned in the UK, on average you're looking between 350 quid. And I'll tell you, that brand new is far cheaper, and you can have that delivered to your door anywhere in the world, and that is absolutely brilliant, and it's only taken a matter of days to get here. So, like I said, you can have that totally free of charge. All you have to do, put your name in the description below, and we'll put everybody's name in a hat in 2 weeks today at 8 PM. We'll do it live. We'll do it live on YouTube, and we'll pick out the winner. Zeus, come here, son. Say hello to Zeus, everybody. As a few of us subscribers have asked us to meet Zeus. He's a big softy, really. So again, a big thank you to maxpedingrods.com. Do a vast amount of engine components for a wide variety of makes and models. Check out the website, and again, like I said, get your name in down below, and we'll get this turbo to somebody totally free of charge. Again, if you need my help and assistance at all, you know what to do. Give me a call on 01274 640028. You can email westyorkshireengines@gmail.com. And thanks for watching, and come again.